Hey y'all, it's T Perez and I'm back with another video. As y'all seen by the title, your girl's back with another wig install. Today I am working with the brand Unice, and thank you so much Unice for sponsoring today's video. I am bringing you their newest EasiContour V-part wig. And when I tell you this V-part wig right here is going to be a game changer, and it's different from all the other V-part wigs that you might have seen on the market or their V-part wigs in the past. But before I get onto those specs and details about that, I want to show y'all all the goodies that came inside the package. So first things first, a nice silk fuchsia pink robe. You can never go wrong with a silk robe. I ended up also receiving a nice wig grip band to help lay down my wigs, and it's branded with their name Unice on it, so I love the packaging so far. You also get a pair of press-on nails, and then last but not least, I ended up getting 2 packs of HD wig caps, making it 4 HD wig caps because 2 come in a pack. That was everything that came in the package. Of course, the wig came in there as well. We're going to go ahead now onto the specs on the wig. The new feature that they have on their wig now, instead of it having like the track showing and you having to take your leave out and blending it or crocheting it, they pretty much did this method where they flip the hair over to give it like a more seamless and realistic natural look. In the inside of the V-part wig, you have your clip that's here, so you get 2 clips up here, 2 clips here, and then you get a clip right here in the middle. In the very back of the wig, you have a comb, of course, and then you have like this rubber silicone grip that's here to help make sure your wigs don't slide. And then of course you get an adjustable band. They did add something new to the wig, like drawstring here in the back to help make the wigs tighter. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into the install. This should be very quick and easy since they already flipped the hair for us. We don't need to do the crochet method. I'm not looking forward to doing a crochet method. I really want to give the full look of how this flip over method on the wig. I'm going to go ahead and now take off this scarf and put the wig on, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, so I have all my clips open. I'm just gonna do the front ones first. Well, I'm doing one row first actually. Alright, that one's in. Let's put this one. I have such a big forehead. It is crazy. We're definitely going to have to do some face framing to the wig. This is how the wig is looking. I did wash and condition the wig as well. So this is like its natural state when it's dry. Of course, like I said, we're going to do some face framing. And if you don't know me, and if you do know me already, when it comes down to my curls, I love to wet it and define it. This right here is just not me. It's just not giving. But overall, the wig definitely snapped in quick and easy. It was not that hard at all. It does feel a little tight, but that is good. It's nice and snug. This right here, let's get into the part. It's definitely giving natural. Once I face frame and fluff it out and define my curls and everything, we'll see like the full potential in the aftermath. Back in 2012, I think, or probably before that, between like 2010, 2014, around that era, I used to rock invisible parts. So if you're an OG, then you should know about invisible parts. If you were the one who used to rock those back in those times, let me know down in the comments, because this definitely gives invisible part. You don't see the webs or anything on the wig, so I love the flip over method. Let's go ahead and start face framing so we can get our full potential on the wig. I pretty much face framed the hair. I'm going to wet the hair now. It's definitely giving a look. I don't know, should I do my edges first or should I wet the hair? I feel like I should wet the hair then do the edges, because if I do my edges first then try to wet them, then it's gonna mess up. But then again, I should do my edges first and put a band on it and then wet the hair. That way it'll work. So I did do my edges off camera. I'm now going to go ahead and detangle the hair and have the curls to its full effect and potential, because one thing about me, I just love defined curls. So let's just go ahead and take off the water bottle and define the curls. When I say this hair has so much volume, it has so much volume. And I know I did not face frame to my potential. but just the density on this wig is very, very, very good. So the curls are defined on that side. Let's go to this side and define the curls. Alright, those curls are looking good now. Look at the curls. Curls. Y'all see that? A nice detangling brush like this. This curl's looking nice and juicy. I finished detangling the hair and setting the curls. This is how it looks pretty much wet. I don't really want to touch it at all because I love how the curl pattern is, and if I touch it, it's gonna cause frizziness. Once I finish taking this band off and wait about an hour for it to pretty much air dry, I will come back on camera to show y'all the full effect. But let's go ahead and take off the band. I'm pretty sure my edges are not laid how I want it to be. Oh, surprisingly, look at how it looks. So I'm pretty sure once the hair pretty much gets dry and fluff up a little bit, the part will look a little bit more natural. Not saying that it's not looking natural now, but it's definitely giving a look. It looks really good. The curls look nice and juicy. This is the part, and I told y'all before, I have a widow's peak, so I had to do a little something with the widow's peaks. As y'all see, this is what we came up with. Just did the little baby hair right there. And yeah, this is how it looks. It looks so good. This is how the wig looks, nice and defined and curls. This is still in wet mode. Once the hair air dries within another hour and a half, I'll come back on camera to show y'all the full effect. So I am going to show y'all how to use the drawstring in the back, because I know y'all probably curious on how to use the drawstring. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around to the back. The curls are nice and defined, y'all. Let's pull this up a little bit, and I think I have a clip by me. Let's see. I have this one little clip. I don't know if it's going to hold all the hair, which I highly doubt it. I have one more right here. I wish I had a big claw clip by me, but sadly I don't. So the drawstring is right here, and you see this small little circle that's right here? This is the little part that you will pull up as you pull the drawstring down. So I'm going to show you. I'm pulling the drawstring and I'm pulling this up, and that helps tighten the wig. And I'm pretty sure y'all are probably wondering what to do with this drawstring. Please do not leave it hanging. Just tuck it in your wig, and pretty much you can do your updo styles. This is how it would look up. You know, of course, it would look probably better if I had a claw clip, but this is how it would look up. So pretty much that's what you do. Put the drawstring in the wig so you can do your updo styles. And then when you want to unloosen it, you just want to get your drawstring, hold the drawstring, and then take the little circle part and pull it. And as you pull it down, that's when the drawstring will start to loosen. So I am back. It's been about an hour and a half, and the curls and the hair is definitely pretty much set. It is still damp in some areas, but overall you can still see how the curls look. I'm really loving it. The new concept that Unice did, they definitely did a big one on this. With the drawstring, it definitely made a big difference, because I've always had the problem with my wigs never like really being snug and tight in the back. Like, just feel like it's secured. Even with the adjustable band, I did take the adjustable band out on this wig, so I'm just using the drawstring, and I don't even have the drawstring to the full effect or anything like that. And the clips, like everything on this wig just looks good. The parting with the no weave out, like, it's giving very much realistic, as I stated to you before, pretty much an invisible part. So if you're interested in this wig, all the details for it will be down in the description box, so make sure you go down below and check that out. This wig is from Unice, and this is their EasiContour V-part wig with the no weave out. So once again, thank y'all so much for staying tuned throughout this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else that I post. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next freaking video. Bye.